Yeah, what's up, Doc? Today we got another package from, I don't know, but it might be us again. Sylvester said something about Porky. Oh, it could be, but I may be wrong. So why don't we just look at it? Yeah, but you can't escape, can't you? No, you do put me in there, so I will catch that stupid Tweety bird. Nah. F you hard and good. Anyways, so let's start with this package. So, yeah. Actually, it looks like it's made out of paper, but it does say Porky Pig. So, let's open it. Okay, you got the scissors. Sure. Oh, I see someone there. Oh, I'll save you. No, I'll do it. Get out of the way. Okay, come on, let's save him. Oh, it's so hard. Oh God. Oh Jesus Christ. What happened? Porky? Is that you? What do you think, the Easter Bunny? Actually, that's what I said last time, but oh well. What happened here? And I came all over here to visit you guys. So yeah, that's weird. What's that? This. One of Brother's beanbag. Yeah, it's retired. I'm a retired pig. Interesting. Oh, maybe we can slit your throat and feel your bean. Don't you dare get that out. Well, look who it is. Isn't it Porky Pig? Oh, hi there, Dappy. What do you want? Oh, I don't know. You stole me money. Well, why? Because I have to pay you. Fine. Here's a gift card. Oh, you get used to it, pork. So, Porky, how have you been doing? Good. I've been, but you playing Earthbound? Have you played it before? It's a really fun game. What the heck? Yeah, my favorite villain is pretty much Porky. I don't know what kind of drugs you've been taking, but you have to stop that, okay? Shut up. So, you're part of the Looney Tunes fans, aren't you? Yeah, I guess. You wanna go? Wait a minute. So, you're the pork? Yeah. Hey, Sylvester. Come on, we're gonna eat some dinner tonight. You might be... Ooh, you lost some weight there, buddy. Shut up. Whatever. See ya. Well, buddy, that's all, folks. Please, I think I'm still conscious from that bag after a week. Ugh.